लास्ट वीडियो में हमने बात करी थी ओपन क्लोज प्रिंसिपल के बारे में। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे लिस्कॉव सब्स्टिट्यूशन प्रिंसिपल विच इज द थर्ड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सॉलिड। ओके, सो लेट्स गो थ्रू द डेफिनेशन ऑफ लिस्कॉव सब्स्टिट्यूशन प्रिंसिपल फर्स्ट, which says that objects of derived class must be replaceable for objects of the base class without affecting the functionality. Okay, now even if definition is not clear to you, okay, don't worry, we will be going through a program and a code snippet and we will try to understand that how that code snippet is violating the Liskov substitution principle and how can we make that code snippet Liskov substitution principle compliant. Okay, here again I will be taking an example of social media application. So consider a social media platform offer three different kind of subscriptions. Okay, first one is the free subscription where you just need to subscribe the platform, but again you don't need to make any payment. Second one is the basic subscription where you need to pay on the monthly basis, and third one is the premium subscription where you need to pay for a specific feature. So obviously now let's see a code snippet which is actually implementing this feature and violating the Liskov substitution principle. So what we have done, we have created a class called subscription, and inside that we have added a method called process payment. We have three different kind of subscription, so all those subscription will be extending the subscription class. Like we have the free subscription, we have the basic subscription, and we have the premium subscription. All this subscription will be extending the subscription class and will be overriding the process payment method. Okay, kind of providing its own implementation for the process payment method. Now for basic subscription and for premium subscription, it is fine that they are overriding the process payment method because the payment operation is relevant to them. But if I talk about the free subscription class, right, where we are overriding the process payment method, here payment operation is not relevant to the free subscription, because in case of free subscription, what we understood that the user just need to subscribe the social media platform and they do not need to make any payment. Though we have designed our classes in such a way that free subscription needs to extend the subscription class and overriding the process payment method, and inside that what we are doing, we are just throwing unsupported operation exception, right? So here this free subscription class is violating the Liskov substitution principle because it is having the expectation that even the payment needs to be done for the free subscription class as well, which is not the case. Let's see how we can make this code Liskov substitution principle compliant. What we can do, instead of creating a single subscription class, we can create one interface for payment and one abstract class for subscription, where payment will be having a method, abstract method called process payment, and subscription will be having an abstract method called subscribe. Now, so whatever the different types of subscription we are having, all those subscription classes needs to extend the subscription class because subscription is necessary. However, basic subscription and premium subscription are the only two classes which needs to implement the payment interface, because the payment operation is relevant to premium subscription class as well as basic subscription class. In case of free subscription, payment is not required. So here free subscription is only extending the subscription class and not implementing the payment interface. That's how here we made this code Liskov substitution principle compliant.